Radio telegraphy. So as mentioned before, that we have two different choices. One, we can use wide media, and the other is we can use wireless media, that is free space or atmosphere, right? So the actual wireless, the start point of the wireless communication actually is the radio telegraphy, right? So when we talk about radio telegraphy, so we can communicate between moving objects, for example ships and other moving vehicles, and the messages, they are spread into the medium, right? And when we have to look for its start, how it started. So first demonstration was performed by Marconi in 1896, right? So his work was